Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. I Assistant Professor Sumaya Tambuli will be going through the example on types of CSS. In the previous video, I have already explained you what all are the types of CSS like inline CSS, internal CSS and external CSS along with its property. So please go and watch that video. Now today we will see the example on types of CSS. Okay. So here you can see very first example I'm taking is nothing but inline CSS. Okay. We are saying inline CSS. I have started writing the code and I am applying style on the tag P or the element P. Okay. Then it is equals to background colon pink, suppose, right? Separate, since we need to separate the declaration by semicolon, right? Next color is blue, suppose, and this is again end and double quotes, right? Next, something I have to write here, text color is blue with pink background, right? Okay, end of paragraph tag, closing tag, that is, then closing tag of body, then closing tag of HTML, right? HTML. Let's save this file. I'm saving this file where practical in your folder. I'm saving this as inline example, right? .html. Always save the file with .html, right? Save this. Okay, I have saved this. So basically, how to write inline CSS? We are writing or we are applying this style within the tag itself, right? Within the tag itself. So here I have applied on which element or which tag? It is nothing but the paragraph tag. So here the background will be pink and the text color will be blue, right? Now let's execute this file. So here you can see after the execution, your inline underscore x.html file, it is going to look like this. Okay. Text color is blue with pink background. You're getting this? This is how we are going to deal with inline CSS. We are going to apply the style within the tag itself. Now let's see how we are going to work with internal CSS. Okay. Here you can see how we are going to apply internal CSS. So we are going to write style under the head element. Okay. So basically head element is going to act as the container for the style element, right? In this we are applying style to the various element. We are going to use the types of selectors. Okay, we have already seen how to what all are the types of selector, like element selector, class selector, ID selector, okay, group selector, right? So basically here I have made use of simple element selector, right? Just to make you understand how we are going to implement internal CSS. Okay. So here you can see under the head tag, you can see the style tag have been taken. This is the opening style tag, right? And I have made use of the attribute type, which is telling us it is text or CSS, right? It is compulsory to write under style, okay? Opening tag. Next, you can see I have made use of element selector for the element P, H1 and the body, right? I have applied style on the paragraph, heading and the background. Is it okay to everyone? Okay? And in the body section, I had made use of this elements like H1, paragraph tag, right? And body itself. Let's see the execution of this file, right? Here you can see after the execution of this file, this is how your web page is looking, right? Head internal CSS example, head internal CSS example, right? So what we have done over here, we have taken text color as red. The property here is color, right? And the value is what? Red. So similarly here it is coming red in color and text is aligned centrally, right? Next is what? Body. Body background color is what? Pink. So here you can see the background color is what? Pink. Likewise, you can see the style which you have applied on the paragraph element is color blue. That means what? The text color will come blue. So this is how you're going to make use of internal CSS. Now let's see how we are going to make use of external CSS. Okay. So here you can see I have opened new notepad. In that notepad, I am writing the style, right? I am applying style on the paragraph tag. I am applying style on the heading tag. I am applying style on the body tag. Okay, so here I have made use of element selectors, right? Element selectors, but this is the separate file. I'll be saving this file as, you can see I'm saving this file with, suppose this is sample dot CSS. For external CSS, I need to save a file with .css extension. Okay, save this file. Now this file is ready with us. CSS file is ready. Now we need to link the CSS file with our HTML document. Now let's see how we are going to link this. Okay. So here we are going to link in the head container, right? We are going to make use of link element, right? In this we are going to write the attributes like rel is equals to, this is what? Style sheet, right? Compulsory to write this style sheet. Next is what? Type, that is text or CSS. Next, we are going to link our, which file? We are going to link our CSS file with the help of the attribute href, which is equals to sample.css, right? This is how we are going to link the file. Is it okay? This is how we are going to link our CSS file and it will be written into the head container, right? It will be written into the head container. This is the separate HTML file and CSS file is separate, right? You can see here this sample, this is how the CSS file will be seen in your folder, right? After executing my HTML file, remember, we are not going to execute the CSS file. CSS file is just linked into your HTML document. We are going to double click on our HTML file. Then this is what it is coming, right? Where we have written the styles, we have written in sample.css. We have linked that file in our HTML document. So this is what it has appeared in your web page, right? You can see this. This is what the concept of external CSS. This is what the concept of external CSS. Please practice it by yourself. Definitely, it will be easy when you practice by yourself. Thank you for watching this video.